In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently fix or stop pop-up notifications or alerts from Power Rangers game app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to do this is quite simple. Just go ahead and long press on your app and you should see app info. If you tap app info, you will be taken to this page. Scroll down until you see permission section, and under it look for notifications. Currently, if you tap on notifications, you can see all these notifications are on. That's why you have been receiving those pop-up notifications. So instead of turning off each and every notification type here, just go ahead and toggle off show notifications, and this will go ahead and disable all notifications on your Power Rangers game app. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive any pop-up notifications unless you go ahead and toggle this on again. So that's how you can permanently stop alerts from Power Rangers game app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.